Hello guys, let's talk today about the VIOFO A139 PRO. This is a dash cam with 4K resolution and it's using this sensor. Let me just show you here, which is pretty important. Okay, it's using this Starvis 2 sensor from Sony that allows you to capture good images and also uses HDR to compensate for light, contrast of light. So it's very, very good, right? And it's a 2-channel camera, so basically you have one camera here. Here we go, that's the lens of the camera. So this is going to point to the front of your car, and you can connect another camera here using a cable. There's a rear connector and also internal connector for an internal camera if you have one, right? But in this kit it comes with the rear camera. Here we go, that's the one. The 3M sticker, you can connect this to the back of your car, install there, right? And then use the cable, because of course it comes with the cable to connect your camera. So here we go, that's the cable. And then comes with this type of connector that you can just come here to your camera and connect it just right here, okay? You don't supposed to start like connecting, disconnecting cables all the time, otherwise you're going to damage this port. But usually it's very easy to connect. You just come here, connect it that way, and here you go, okay? And then the other side, of course, you're going to connect to your camera. And then the camera starts recording in a micro SD card that I have just right here. Talking about SD card, you need to use the good ones. For example, SanDisk Extreme that I have here. Don't use any SD card. You need to use a good one like SanDisk Extreme or VIOFO's SD card, because they are good to record. You can see here 90 megabytes per second for recording. And of course, it's a faster reading, 190 megabytes per second, but your camera is going to record most of the time. So it's more writing than reading. So the writing speed, the write speed must be good, right? So buy the correct card. SanDisk Extreme is one of them. And here you have the camera buttons, right? You press here to power on and off, here to record. Very important, this button. You can protect your video. Let's say you have an accident, an event or something, you can protect the video that is recorded, so you're not gonna lose it, right? You can turn on and turn off mic and also Wi-Fi. And here you have the LEDs to indicate that the camera is working, recording, mic, GPS, and also Wi-Fi. I have the camera connected via, I can connect the camera via USB-C. So basically you're gonna use this adapter here to your cigarette light, your car cigarette light, of course. And then you're gonna power the camera, because it also comes with the cable, so you can use this small cable or a longer one that comes with the camera just right here. Connect to the cigarette light using USB-C and you're good to go. Also comes with this polarizer, which is very important. So if you have like glass reflection in your camera, for example, you're gonna use this polarizer here in front of the camera, in front of the lens here. Just put it here and you're good to go. Okay, and this, as I was saying, a 4K camera, so the resolution is very good, and you can connect extra mic. Let me just remove this rear cable here so you can see better. So you can connect an extra mic, an external mic, and also there's an audio video output. Let's say you want to connect to your TV, for example, to play back the videos, or a small monitor, whatever you want, you can connect it here. Connector for the rear camera and internal camera, that's not included. There's no internal camera. On the back here you have this sticker that you can use to install the camera on the windshield of your car, and it can be removed just like this. You see, that's the module, the GPS module, and it connects here to your camera. So you have a contact here and it connects there, right? Let me just put it back, and here you go. Okay, so the VIOFO camera, it's pretty good, right? I like this one because I have another camera that's also VIOFO and it's good. And let me just connect the power so you can see if I use a regular cable with the USB-C. Here we go. I connect here to power. And then I can power the camera up. And you see it starts showing the LED here for recording. Power it up. Wait for a while. GPS.
One channel started.
And start recording
Wi-Fi enabled.
right away. It's pretty good, right? And also Wi-Fi to connect to your cell phone, because look, you don't have an LCD display here, so you need to look at your cell phone to see the image. So you need to just use a cell phone here and connect to the camera so you can see the image from the camera, right? And something also important is that every time you connect your camera to your cell phone, for example, you start seeing something there, the camera lets you know that's no longer recording. When I take a look at the settings of the camera, it stops recording for a while and lets you know that's no longer recording. It's pretty good because you need to know, because otherwise you don't have evidence when you need them, right? And here you have the microphone, so it's an internal microphone. It captures all the audio. Okay, and as I was saying, if you want another microphone, external one, you can just connect here. And the polarizer, it's very easy to install as well. Here you have it. Let me just open it up. So here we have it. Let's say you have some reflection on your lens or something like this. You can just get this polarizer, come here and install it like this. Okay, and of course remove the plastic that's in front of the lens. Let me just put it better here. I didn't press it. So here we go. Now it's good. Okay, and then remove the plastic in front of the polarizer, and you're good to go with your camera. So you start recording the front of your car. You have the GPS working, so it's going to record the position of your car. Then you can play back and see where the videos were recorded, right? And it's a good product, right? And I'm just making this quick review, but I'm going to install this on my car and show you that works pretty fine. VIOFO always works pretty fine, especially now with this new sensor, the Starvis 2. It's gonna work even better, okay? So this is a quick review for you. If you wanna get this device, just go to Amazon and get yours. And if you like these videos, please subscribe to this channel, leave a thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.